Okay, so hello everyone. Today I am going to show my second DIY project which we were assigned to by our professors of the DIY lab of IIT Kharagpur. So this is the project that I have made. This is a mobile holder or a mobile stand which can be used for holding the mobile both in the portrait mode and the landscape mode, which brings more to its utility. And if we want to see it in the FreeCAD software from different sides, actually, wait a second, let's do free fit to view. Yeah, so this is it from different angles. It has a stand which holds it back, and the mobile is held at a slanting angle with a slot for putting the charger in while watching the videos or by during doing stuff on the mobile while placing the mobile on the holder. And it also has a cylindrical base to support the mobile holder. And this is it. So what I have done here is actually um, I haven't used different part designs to design the different parts. What I have done is to use the part function to use the shapes that we are pre-equipped with in the FreeCAD software. That is, I've used the cylinder here and the cube function here, and I also use another cube function and another cube function here. So in total, there are three cubes and one cylinder. And by using spheres, I just cut out from the either sides of the mobile holder to give it a design. And also, I used another cube to just cut out the slot for plugging in the charger. So that is it from here. And afterwards, let's move on to the another software that is the Cura one. Yeah, so here we are in Cura. So this is my STL file which has been loaded into Cura, and this is the mobile holder that I made. So it looks something like this. You can check out its dimensions here. It is 19 to 96.7 into 76.6 millimeters, which is within the limit that our professors told us to leave it in. And if we go on to the characteristics of it, actually I've set the layer height to 0.2 millimeters and then the infill density to 50%. And I have also used meshes in the FreeCAD software using the triangular pattern, actually fine meshes to be more accurate. And then I've set up the printing temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and the build plate temperature to the default 80 degrees Celsius. And the print speed has been set to 60 millimeters per second. And uh, I've also set the build plate adhesion type to brim. So there we go. And then I sliced it, and after slicing, it shows that the total time of the printing would be 3 hours and 44 minutes in total, requiring 63 grams of the input wire, plastic wire, and total length of 8.01 meters. So that's it. Thank you very much. Hope you liked it.